How to buy XRP on Trust Wallet. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy XRP Ripple on Trust Wallet in easy fast way. So first thing we do, we go to Trust Wallet like this, and as you can see this is the home page. Now if you want to buy XRP you have to go here to buy, and after that you need to choose XRP. If you didn't find the XRP coin here, you have just to search for it in the search bar, like write the name XRP and you will find it. Now click on it like this. Now you have to choose the amount of money that you want to spend on this crypto, like 1,000 or $500, and then click next. And after that it will take you to this website. Now choose your country, for example Croatia, and then click proceed and you will buy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.